Cat Heinrich Strydom, and sailing Precious Nzimande. And in the Coach of the Year category, we have Ahmed Amla in cricket, Owami Zuma in sailing, Precious Mthembu in netball. A round of applause. Federation of the Year, we have KZN Cricket, KZN Inland Cricket Union, and KZN Netball. Give them a round of applause. For the Junior Sportsman of the Year, we have got Conor Dog, tennis, kick and vocht, canoeing, and run Vivias in triathlon. Give them a round of applause. 5 Junior Sportswomen of the Year, Mbali Dipoko, netball, Nobuhle Zwane, cricket, Obuhle Sithole, football. And the newcomer of the year, we have got Ethan Hooker in rugby, Mbali Dipoko in netball, Sibonga Gonke Makaza in athletics. Recreation body of the year, we have got Durban Africa Sports Club, we have got Fish Eagles, we have got Made for More. A round of applause.